Cartesian product deducing property number 2, that is A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. So here we are going to deduce the property number 2, that is A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C under the advanced level. So here, in order to prove this condition, so here we are going to assume 3 sets, say A, B and as well as C. So here let us illustrate. Illustration. So under this illustration, so here we are going to assume, so here let set A elements are of 1, 2, 3 and set B elements are of 3, 4, 5, and whereas set C elements are of 5, 6, 7. So here then we have to prove that A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. So in order to prove this condition, so here the proof starts now. So in our proof, so here as per problem, so here as per problem, set A elements are of so here A equals to 1, 2, 3 and whereas set B elements are of 3, 4, 5 and set C elements are of 5, 6, 7. But here, so in case number 1, as per the condition, we are going to take the LHS quantity. So in our LHS, A cross B intersection C. So here we have to find out A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C. But here in order to find out, so here A cross B intersection C, first of all I want to find out B intersection C. So here B intersection C is equals to set B elements are of 3, 4, 5 intersection with set C. The elements of set C are of 5, 6, 7. Since we are going to find out the intersection, then we have to pick out the common elements present in both the sets. So here 3 and 4 are not occurring in the second set, that is C. So here only 5 is common, 5 is present in both the sets. So here the common elements are nothing but the elements of the set of B intersection C. Therefore, so that implies common elements are of only 1, that is 5. So here 5 is an element of B intersection C. So in this manner I got, so therefore B intersection C is equals to set consisting only one element, that is 5. Then later, say on the whole we have to find out A cross B intersection C is equals to A, so set A elements are of 1, 2, 3, then cross with B intersection C elements. So it is of only one element, that is 5. Then now here in the next logical step we have to find out the ordered pairs, since we are finding the Cartesian product of these two sets, that is A and as well as B intersection C. So first of all with 1, 5, 2, 5 and 3, 5 will be the elements of A cross B intersection C. Set consisting first ordered pair 1, 5, 1, 2, 5 and 3, 5. So in this manner, so here I got, so here therefore A cross B intersection C is equals to set consisting the elements 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 5. So these are the elements of A cross B intersection C, and we are going to assume this as the first equation which we got from the LHS. Then now in the similar manner, let us find out the second one, that is the case number 2 of RHS. Whereas in RHS, so here we have to find out A cross B intersection A cross C. So here case number 2, in case number 2, so we are going to take the RHS. So in our RHS we have to find out A cross B intersection with A cross C. So here, in order to find out this A cross B intersection A cross C, first of all I want to find out A cross B, first bracket, that is A cross B is equals to set consisting the elements of A are of 1 comma 2 comma 3 cross, and set B elements are of 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then now, say in the next logical step, that implies we have to find out the Cartesian product of set A and set B. So here 1 with 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 will be the first 3 ordered pairs, 2 3 and 2 4 and 2 5 the next 3 ordered pairs, 3 3 3 4 and 3 5 will be the last 3 ordered pairs. Then now here, so with 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, the latter 3 3, 3 4, 3 comma 5. So these are the elements of A cross B. So in this manner I got, so here therefore A cross B is equals to set consisting these ordered pairs. Then now let us find out A cross C. A cross C is equals to set A elements are of 1 2 3 cross set C elements are of 5 comma 6 comma 7. Then now the next logical step will be of, so here since we are finding the Cartesian product of these two sets, that is A and as well as C, so here 1 5 1 6 1 7 will be the first 3 order pairs, 2 5 2 6 2 7 the next 3 order pairs, 3 5 3 6 3 7 will be the last 3 order pairs. So here set consisting 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7 with 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6 and 2 comma 7, then with 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7. So here these are the ordered pairs, 9 ordered pairs, because here 3 elements in the first set and 3 elements in the second set, 3 3 of 9. So we got 9 ordered pairs as the elements of A cross C. Then now, so here totally on the whole we have to find out, so here A cross B intersection A cross C is equals to, then now A cross B, so here A cross B elements are of 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5. So here intersection with the A cross C. So here A cross C elements are of 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7. So now we have to find out the intersection of A cross B and as well as A cross C. So intersection of these ordered pairs in the first set and as well as these ordered pairs in the second set. Intersection mean we have to find out the common elements. So here the next logical step will be of, so here we have to find out only the common elements. So here in this 1 5 in the first set and 1 5 in the second set. So this is common first element. Then later I say here 2 5, 2 5 and 3 5 and as well as 3 5. So none other elements are common. So here therefore the common elements are off. So here 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 5 are only the 3 elements of A cross B intersection A cross C. So here 1 comma 3 is present in the first set, but it is not occurring in this. 1 4 is occurring in the first set, but it is not occurring in this. So here 2 3 and 2 4 are occurring in this, but here starts with 2 5. So here 3 3 3 4 are occurring, but it starts with 3 5. Therefore only 1 5 1 5 and 2 5 and 2 5 and 3 5 and comma 3 5 are only the common elements. So here therefore these are only the 3 ordered pairs of the set A cross B intersection A cross C. So in this manner I got. So here therefore A cross B intersection A cross C is equals to, so this is the second equation, equation number 2, which we got from case number 2. Then now let us observe equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here equation number 2 is of 1 5 2 5 3 5. Then now equation number 1 is also of 1 5 2 5 3 5. So here both the right hand sets are equal. So here from equations 1 and as well as 2. So your first equation is of A cross B intersection C is equals to, so your first equation (1 5 2 5 3 5) is the right hand side quantity, (1 5 2 5 and 3 5). Then similarly this is about the equation number 1. Then similarly the right hand side. So here the second equation is of A cross B intersection A cross C is equals to, so here the right hand side is also of 1 5 2 5 3 5. So this is about the second equation, so which we got in the previous logical steps. Equation number 2 is of 1 5 2 5 3 5 as the RHS. So here this is of second equation. From this it is clear that when we observe these two equations, right hand side quantities are equal. So here in the first equation the set consisting 1 5 2 5 3 5 in the first case, that is first equation. Similarly in the second equation also the elements are of 1 5 2 5 3 5, that is right hand sides are equal. So here since right hand sides are equal, therefore the left hand sides must be equated. So here hence since LHS of equations 1 and 2 are equal, hence RHS, since the RHS, so here right hand sides are equal, so here since the RHS of equations 1 and 2 are equal, therefore the left hand sides of equations 1 and 2 must be equated. So here therefore, so we will be getting A cross B intersection C as the LHS of the first equation is equals to the LHS of the second equation is of A cross B intersection A cross C. So in this manner we have proved the condition, that is A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C.